are the Bill Millers, the CEOs of the world, what are they really looking for here? They're looking for the lesser institutions and the lesser um, competitors that they have. You know, very few people are CEOs, but they are looking for them to propel this out of this zone, if in fact it's accumulation. And so they want to see the demand come in as the sign of strength is being generated in the form of a tilt to buying. Buying is a combination of the institutions realizing that they've got to get in, and also the short sellers realizing they got to get out, they got to cover. And so all of these things are reside in the markup of the breakout. And so and this is an all-important event that we are on the verge of, potentially, maybe it may or may not happen. But the other part of it is that, and this is the part I wanted to make about earnings, is that next week is when we start to get the really big, flood of earnings reports. We've had some. It's given us a sense for, kind of the earnings environment that we're dealing with. It's like the early look at things, and so far the market is operating in a really tight, narrow range on these earnings that have come this week and last. So that's, I think that's on balance positive. But we still are in the zone of the new quarter and the emergence of the new quarter. So what the true test is going to come, and also a point I was going to make was that a number of the FANG stocks, which have been the dominant propellers of the S&P 500 and the Qs and the NASDAQ 100 upward, really since the end of the year, has been these really top NASDAQ names. Well, they're all going to report here. Google's on Tuesday. Apple's a week from next Thursday, 2 weeks from tomorrow. Meta's going to be on Wednesday of next week. Amazon Thursday of next week. Microsoft's Tuesday of next week. Netflix has already reported and earnings were down 18% from a year ago. And so, these are, these are the big dogs, and these big dogs are going to give us a bigger glimpse into how they're doing.